Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome to Nerd Gadget. Today we're going to talk about the Supcase Unicorn Beta Pro case series lineup for the Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and then S24 Ultra. And I'll be jumping right in right after this. Now, before I jump in, if you end up liking my content, please go ahead and mash that thumbs up button. Also, if you want more content like this, consider subscribing to my channel and hit that subscribe and the notification bell button. That way you can always stay informed whenever I post new content on my channel. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at this UB Pro case for the Galaxy S24. Now, this is a dummy unit. This is not the official unit, all right? But at least you can have an idea on how it looks. All right, let's go ahead and pop this open. Move this here. All right, let's go ahead and get this in here, just like so. Then now what's nice about this case, I took this out. You have the option to use it without the screen protector, or you can use it with the screen protector. So I'm going to use the one with the screen protector. Why not get full protection? Some people don't like this. I guess you can go that route if you don't. All right, let's get everything in there. And there you have it. All right, really nice, really clean, full protection. Buttons are clickable. All right, got the bottom port, charge port exposed, speaker over here. All right, really nice there. Camera protected, as you can see. See how deep that is? Have the kickstand. All right. Got those options. Really nice. Nice grip. Plus you have a holster. And this swivels. Alright, so if you want to wear it on your belt this way, you can, or of course you can go vertical. Really nice. Alright, let's take a look at the S24 Plus. Let's open here. Alright, let's peel this out. And again, you have both options with this. Let's go ahead and peel this out. You can use it with or without the screen protector. Alright, but I'm going to use the screen protector for the full protection. Alright, have that. Let's slap that in there. It's ready to go. Really nice. I won't go over all of the cutouts and all that good stuff because it's similar to the S24 standard. And of course, there's a kickstand here as well. All right. Really nice. Of course, again, you have a holster. And you're good to go. All right. Take a look at the S24 Ultra. Now we have 3 cases for the S24 Ultra. Let's take a look at the first one. Slide this out. Here we go. It's really nice. see those cutouts at the bottom there. S Pen access. Alright, buttons here. Top cutout, camera, access to that. Of course, this acts as a kickstand too. So you can just prop it up like that and be good to go. And of course, it gives you camera protection. And even with it open, it still gives you that protection because of how deep it allows your camera to sit. The lenses, all right, really nice. All in all, I definitely think this is really nice. You even get screen protection, as you can see. Look at the lip. All right, you can see that lip there, nice and deep for your screen. So if you lay it flat on the surface, you're not scratching your screen. All right, let's take a look at the next case. Pop this open here. Pop that out. Let's pop this out as well. There you go. Again, with this option here, you're able to use it with or without the screen protector. So if you want to open, you can just slap your phone onto this and back into the rear, and then you won't have any screen protection, but at least the rest of your phone will be protected. But again, why not get the full protection? Just simply slap your phone in here. Start it from this side, just like so. Alright, so there we have it. Dope. That's dope right there. That is really, really dope. Look how nice that looks. And depending on what color you get, it's gonna make this even pop more. But oh, this is pretty dope. But you can see that camera cut out there. Camera is nice and protected, as you can see. Kickstand down here. All right, really nice. Bottom cutouts. All right, S Pen. Speaker. Got the buttons. Top cutout there. And again, the screen is already protected with the screen protector, but not only that, you have the lip to see how deep it is. It's really nice. Of course, you have the holster. That's just dope right there. I'm loving it. Nice, vibrant feel. Let's take a look at the last one. Pop this open really fast. All right, let's go ahead and drop this in here. Just like that. Again, you have both options, just like the rest of the cases. I'm going to remove this. Let's drop this in here, just like that. Get this other part, here we go. Get it nice and even. There you have it. Really nice right there. Of course, you got all the protection. There's no need for me to go through this because it's the same design as these two cases. All right, so you have all of the same features with the S24 Ultra. Of course, you have the holster, which is a nice addition for this. All right. Now, if you're interested in any one of these cases, course, I will have a link posted in the description section of my video, and this completes my Supcase UB Pro lineup case series for the Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra.